Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel, and in this lesson you learn some basics of Microsoft Excel environment. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is part of Microsoft Office package, and it's basically used in mainly tabulating information, numbers, and it also supports other packages like Microsoft Word, because you can transfer information from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft Word. So how do you start Microsoft Excel? You can type here in this search button Excel, and once you double click. Sometimes you can go to this start button and start Excel. Of course, it brings you other options with templates, billing statement, blood pressure tracker, expense report, but we are interested in a blank Excel file. So once you are in Excel, I want to explain the basics here of Microsoft Excel. These are called cells. This is where you type your information, and then these are cells. This is a column. You see column E, F, G, H, and then these are rows. I think this is quite clear. These are rows. So you can see when you are in Microsoft Excel, you can do a lot of reports, tabular reports. Mainly Excel is used not for writing reports. For reports you use Microsoft Word, but Excel is mainly to enable you carry out computations and also come up with nice tables. So as you can see, if I'm here, I'm in cell A1. That's why you have A1 here. Here it is B1. So this is how you read these cells. This is C1. This is D1. This is E1, like that. So if I'm here, you just read off the cell reference, which is D5. So in Excel you can do lots of things, but today I'm just going to explain the basics. Going to do the basics. So you can see that when I put my cursor here, it brings like that plus sign, and when I left click, you can drag this. You click without releasing and you drag to your right. I'll be able to increase the size of this column, and I can also do that here. You see, I'm increasing the size of the columns. You can see. So Excel is quite a very easy application to use. For example, if you wanted to make a simple budget in Microsoft Excel, assuming it is home, this is home budget. Maybe you wanted to buy sugar, and then you wanted to buy salt, you want to buy bread, you want to buy say cooking oil, so Now, for information that requires a bit of tabulation, adding, subtracting, I strongly recommend to use Microsoft Excel. So you can see this is my Excel file. I'm trying to create an Excel file. Assuming sugar is going to cost you here, the title is going to be amount. So the first amount, say 200. It can be dollars or shillings or pounds. Maybe salt 160. Bread maybe 100. Cooking oil 120. So you see, you'll have a very organized kind of file or report if you use Microsoft Excel. So as you can see, you can even put your total here. My total. So how do I put total? You put equals. I go to the first one. I'll explain how to use a formula in Microsoft Excel. So yeah, let me illustrate. You just type equals. You don't need to use a calculator. Excel will do it for you. Equals, you go up on this one and then type plus. You go to the next one using your arrow keys. You go to plus, use your arrow keys, go to the next one, then plus, then enter. So you can see that I've managed to get my total, and you can do lots of formatting here. So again, I'm going to concentrate on the home button here. You can do a lot of formatting. For example, if I wanted this one to be aligned to the right, it is always better to align numbers to the right. So when I click on this, the letter amount is well aligned to the right. I can bold this, bold. I can also bold this, or I can do it at one go by highlighting both, so that you bold at one go to save time. I can as well go ahead and give this a different color. Say blue. I can as well, I didn't maybe explain how you can also expand the rows such that they become bigger, like this. You put the cursor just on this little line here until it turns to a dark plus sign. So you can always increase the size. You see what I'm doing? So I can as well make this one to have a blue color, and then I can bold it. I can as well give it a different background. You see, when I click on this, this is for letter, this is for background. So here I'm giving it a different background. This one I can also give it this same background. You can see I have a very nice table with my home budget. Probably if you want to edit, it's a matter of double clicking. You can edit from here, or you can edit from here. So you can say home budget on, say you can say maybe 17th. of April. '21. You see, now this is your table. It looks nice, so you can save it. So you just go to File, Save As, and you browse the folder. And where you want to save, I'm going to put it under Andrew, and I call it budget, all home budget. Save. It is always better to save your document. So this is really a snapshot of Microsoft Excel. But before I leave, I want to explain to you what a workbook is and what a worksheet is. So this is a workbook. However, in a workbook, you can have very many sheets. This is sheet 1. This is the one we are using. And then you can add more sheets. If I click here, sheet 2. So you see the information that we've typed disappeared. But if you want to go back to your information, you go back to sheet 1. So you can have a sheet 3, sheet 4. You can as well change the name of this sheet such that you don't use sheet 1. You double click. You just double click here. Double click. Double click left click, and you type in budget. So you can have sheet 2 as maybe whatever the days. Sheet 3, maybe you wanted to know the total you spend in a month. So maybe these are your sheets now. You can as well change the color of these sheets. You right click, tab color. I can give this one blue. Then I can give this, right click, tab color. I can give this one green. I can give this one green. Then right click, tab color. I can give this one red. This one helps you to easily find your information. So as you can see, I've just given you a snapshot of Microsoft Excel, but there's a lot I'll explain to you later on in my other videos. And yeah, Excel is similar to Word in terms of functions. You can see, you can bold, you can use this italics, you can underline, you can increase the font using this button here. You can do lots of things in Microsoft Excel. You can center. You center within a cell. I say this is a cell. You can increase the size of the font. You can do lots of things. Sometimes it's better to always try and see what a button does. For example, if I try this, you can see I can put the word amount to look like diagonal. You can see. So all these are the functions of Microsoft Excel. You can as well indent here. Assuming this was left align, you can indent it so that it moves a little bit off the margin. You see? So you can do a lot. Just for today, I'm explaining this part of home, and I'll maybe add more in my subsequent videos. And yes, you can as well have this for example, with commas, assuming that I wanted to put commas here by clicking comma. You can even add some decimal points. You see how I'm adding decimal point. You can change this to a percentage, but we don't want to change these in percentages because they are amounts, they are not percentages. So yeah, this is quite a lot, but I will be explaining to you in my subsequent videos how to use the other functions in Microsoft Excel. In short, that is a snapshot about Microsoft Excel. Thank you for listening to me, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share the video, and don't forget to click on the notification button such that you are updated on the new videos that I'm going to upload in future. Thank you very much. Bye for now.